You see, every night that we do a show like this, we usually end it the same way every time. Some people tend to believe that it is just quite a little bit predictable, maybe even a little bit boring. No. You know, I would like for you to think of it as I do, like an orgasm. I mean, think about it. Think about it. We've been here together now, and it's been an hour and a half of something. It's a Wednesday night in Cologne, and we've been dancing, and we've been throwing kisses. I've been shaking my ass, and I do believe that you've shaken yours. And so, you might say that in a way, we are already fucking, yes? Yes. So, after an hour and a half of fucking, I think we all deserve an orgasm, don't you think? Yes. So, that is what our last song is about. Achieving an orgasm. But you know, it goes back to those ancient days when the female orgasm was regarded as a craft of the Teufel. Yeah. But obviously we are beyond that here in the Western world. So now we only describe it in fiction and we sing songs about it. But I trust that after we are done here tonight, you will all go home and give each other orgasms, right? Yes. And come out and, you know, if it doesn't work for the first time, you know, it might take a little time and you have to work on it, eh? Do it a second time, it might work better. And, Fräulein, give it a little time. Have a little patience. At least they're trying. So, before you do go home, will you sing a last song with us? Will you sing it really loud? Will you sing it with that German accent of yours? A song to celebrate the female orgasm! In the name of Satan. Alrighty then. Köln, Deutschland, wherever you are from the bottom of my heart and our hearts, thank you for being here tonight.